god.
You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. It's already in. What are we installing today?
On the APR exhaust for this car. So far, no one has ever made a video about this.
I'm like panning for the video and then you just get on your fucking knees and you're bending over hella hard. Chris, I hope he's doing that to you, not me, bro.
Partially joking.
He's partially joking. All right, do the unboxing. What are we unboxing? Hey guys, UnknownSLR here, and today, no, I'm just playing.
But yeah, so literally right from here, this is the mid pipe that they're talking about.
Okay.
From here and on.
Oh, he has the same thing like I have, the clamp.
What bolt are those?
He said the 034 ones. Oh.
What was that?
Oh, it's called a spark.
Yeah, why was it sparking?
Because friction, when you...
Rusty.
The last thing I want to...
And what do you offer, buddy?
Rust prevention.
Wait.
Whoa,
Yeah, move.
Chill, bro. That would've got all over me.
Oh, Chris! What? Look how thick the exhaust is.
Show the camera how big it is. This is your first ever... Oh my god, of course.
We're gonna have to like shimmy this crap through to get these two bolts out. Oh my god.
Wow, this is actually not that heavy.
Yeah, it's her OEM exhaust. Oh.
You don't want to touch you. You follow me on YouTube, so maybe.
I think it'll go back in when I tighten things down.
Get it in that. There we go.
Put the exhaust in.
Wait. Oh, no, it's there.
Yeah, no, I put everything in pipe.
Okay.
This is gonna be kind of nutty, but